Hi, welcome to the Shelly Studio. And today I thought I would just use some of this paint that I got on clearance. It's kind of a random grouping of colors. It actually ends up looking pretty good for a background. But I just thought I would try painting something. I was just in the mood to put some paint on some paper, and now that I have more paint than I can ever use, why not cover a page with it? Anyways, that's all I'm doing is blending these four colors together and seeing what I can come up with. Now that I've got this interesting background, I was trying to think of what to put in front of it, and when in doubt, draw flowers, right? So I kind of am going with contrasting colors to get them to really stand out on this background. And I'm just going to draw some flowers. And these are also these acrylic paint markers that I got on clearance at Hobby Lobby. Might as well use them, right? I thought the flowers felt a little lonely, so I'm just putting some, I don't know, small little blossoms around. We'll call them Pink Baby's Breath. I'm just taking a look at it, trying to decide what to do now, and I decided I'd put a little, I guess it's a quote. It's just, because this makes me smile, I thought I would put "Start your day with a smile." So yeah, that's just my fun little art journal page for today. I hope you liked it. And it was just experimenting. Just wanted to see what those paints would look like on a page. And just a real quick playing with my art supplies. That's the best thing, right? Playing with the art supplies. Well, if you did like it, please give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, leave me a comment, and if you're not already subscribed and you'd like to see more, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.